This free OpenSwarm agent shocked me. What if you've been using AI completely wrong this whole time? What if the reason your AI workflows feel slow is not the model, it's the setup? What if one tool could let you run an entire team of AI agents all at once for free? And what if barely anyone is talking about it yet? Hey, I'm Skylar, your digital AI guide, and today we're talking about something that genuinely stopped me in my tracks. It's called OpenSwarm. It's free. It's open source. And once you see what it can do, you're going to wonder why you ever used a single AI agent at a time. Let's start with the big picture. Right now, most people use AI like this. You open a chat window, you type a prompt, you wait for the answer, then you type again, then you wait again, and that works fine for simple stuff. But when you have real, complex work to do, research, writing, analysis, building, this back and forth is incredibly slow. You're essentially running one brain on one task at a time. That's exactly what OpenSwarm is designed to fix. Multiple agents, multiple tasks, all running at the same time, and you're the one in charge. OpenSwarm is a free, open-source, locally running multi-agent orchestration platform. You can run it on your own machine. Nothing goes to the cloud. No third-party relay. Everything stays on your computer. And it lets you spin up multiple AI agents at the same time, each working on its own task, all visible to you on one screen, with you making the decisions. Now, here's what makes this really different from anything else out there. And I want to walk you through this carefully, because this is where it gets interesting. Most AI tools give you a chat window. You scroll up, you scroll down, you lose track of what happened 20 messages ago. OpenSwarm gives you a canvas, an infinite spatial workspace where each agent lives as its own card. You can see all of them at once: what's running, what's done, what needs your input. The docs describe it this way: the chat window was built for a world where AI could barely answer a question. OpenSwarm was built for the world where it can run a company. That's the shift in thinking here. Let me walk you through exactly what OpenSwarm can do. First, true parallelism. You can spin up as many agents as you need, and they all run at the same time. No queue, no taking turns. While one agent is doing research, another is drafting a document, another is analyzing data, all of it happening simultaneously. Second, human-in-the-loop approvals. This is a big one, and it's something I think a lot of people overlook. OpenSwarm is not designed to run wild and do whatever it wants. Every time an agent wants to use a tool, like accessing a file, sending an email, or running a command, it pauses and asks you for approval first. You can approve or deny individually or batch approve everything at once with a keyboard shortcut. You stay in control, always. Third, message branching. This is something most AI tools don't offer. You can go back to any previous message in any agent's conversation and edit it to take the conversation in a different direction. It forks the conversation. You can navigate between different branches without losing any context. This is incredibly useful when you want to explore multiple approaches to the same problem. Fourth, 5 built-in agent modes. There's agent mode for autonomous task execution, ask mode for just getting information, plan mode where the AI maps out a plan before taking any action, view builder for creating interactive data visualizations, and skill builder for building reusable workflows. You can also create your own custom modes with your own system prompts and tool restrictions. Fifth, a skills library. You can save reusable behaviors and workflows as skills, and they sync directly to your Claude Skills folder. You can also browse and install from the official Anthropic Skills Marketplace right inside the app. This is a big deal for building repeatable processes. Sixth, over 4,000 integrations: Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, GitHub, Slack, and your own tools too, through something called MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. Your agents don't just think, they can take action across the systems your work actually lives in. Seventh, Git Worktree Isolation. This is more of a developer feature, but it's worth mentioning because it's really smart. Each agent runs in its own isolated Git branch and worktree, so when multiple agents are working on code, they don't interfere with each other. And there's a built-in Diff viewer, so you can inspect every change before it goes anywhere. When I started going deep on multi-agent tools, it got overwhelming fast. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. We now have over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations from people who are actually in the trenches with these tools. If you're serious about learning AI properly, check it out. Link is in the description. Let me talk about how to get started. You need Python 3.11 or higher and Node.js 18 or higher on your machine. If you're on a Mac, the desktop app is available right now from their GitHub releases page. Download it, install it, go to the settings page inside the app, and enter your Anthropic API key. That's it. Windows and Linux builds are planned but not yet available, so check the GitHub for updates on that. Now let me give you some pro tips for beginners, because there are a few things that will save you a lot of time when you're just getting started. Tip 1. Start with the plan mode before you jump into agent mode. Plan mode makes the AI map out exactly what it's going to do before taking any action. This gives you a chance to catch anything that doesn't look right before the agent starts actually doing things. Think of it like reviewing a project plan before the work begins. Tip 2. Use keyboard shortcuts from day one. OpenSwarm has a full set. Approve all pending requests with Shift+A, deny all with Shift+D, navigate to the dashboard with D, open agents by position with the number keys. Press the question mark key to see the full list. Building this muscle memory early makes everything faster. Tip 3. Build templates for tasks you repeat. OpenSwarm has a template system where you can save structured prompt templates and invoke them with a / command in the chat. Package your recurring workflows as templates. It compounds fast. Tip 4. Start with one agent, get comfortable, then scale up. It can be tempting to spin up 5 agents immediately because you can, but if you're new to this, start with 1 or 2. Get used to how the approvals work, how the canvas feels, how branching works. Then start layering in more agents as your confidence grows. Tip 5. Use the Diff viewer before approving any code changes. If you're using OpenSwarm for coding tasks, always check the Diff viewer before you merge or approve anything. It shows you exactly what changed in the agent's worktree. This is your safety net, and it's right there in the UI. Use it. If you've been limited to single-agent AI workflows, this is worth your time to explore. The link to the GitHub repo and the docs are in the description. If you're looking to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people all learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype, just solid, practical information from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of what's actually useful and figure out how to apply it. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are using AI in a serious and practical way. If this video helped you, give it a like. It really does help the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.